Got Lucas bragging. He was bragging about his short as he was leaving the building. He's like, "Ha, good luck with that. I just made a bunch of money. What are you gonna do now?" Oh man, oh man, oh man. Good morning. Well, sorry. Good after. Well, is it night? Is it morning? Is it night? Where is it? Nobody knows. Either way, we are live here at the BDH. Little afternoon, night. It's 7 o'clock here on the West Coast. Victoria is flying in from Florida. She was in Costa Rica. Now she's flying in from Florida. She doesn't land until like almost 10 o'clock. So we're getting ready to see what happens here. Right now, NASDAQ getting ready for a little late night session. BDH after dark. That's right. That's right. I saw this move here. Saw Lucas getting a move. He's a lucky man. Nice little bear flag up there, huh? A little bear flag up there. Now the question is there more bear flag to the downside? This market has just been getting hammered, man. Interesting. I think, you know, it's interesting. I guess it hasn't really, I mean, I forget that we went straight up for like that many days. But last few days, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, it's lots of red kind of pulling back here. But we're almost out of the summer. Summer is almost over, so I think there's high hopes. There's high hopes. High hopes that we might go somewhere crazy. You never know. You never know. You never know. You never know. I kind of like, I'm liking maybe a short setup, huh? Brand new hourly candle. Brand new hourly candle. Got a little bit of a wick up there on the 15-minute for now. Lucas was on the shorts earlier. Yeah, I saw. He's killing it. Lucas is killing it. We're starting to roll over here. We'll try a short here and see if this is going to continue lower. Get back below the hundreds here quickly. Right now, we're looking for a short. We got a bear flag, like I said, on the bigger time frame. So I'm watching these bigger time frames. Like right now, this is the 5-minute chart. If you zoom out, well, 15-minute chart, sorry. Hourly chart right now is kind of hanging out below the previous hourly wick and all that. So my stop loss is basically the high of this candle right now, right? The high of this candle is my kind of stop loss for now. So we'll see if we get continuation to the downside here. And maybe make some new lows here tonight. We got a pivot point down there, 29,052. I mean, hey, I think it's a good trade. We'll take it. We're doing it live. Why not? You know, hey, 7 o'clock at night here on the West Coast, 10 o'clock on the East Coast. We're doing it live. Oh, sorry, after hours here at the BDH. I went and got my my stuff. I did the scan, the full body scan, man. That was scary. Scary, chat. Having the music. Damn it. All right, we're back. All right, so yeah, we're just gonna look for this short to see if it'll roll over here. Why not? Overall. Making money. What was the scan for? I believe it was for everything. It was like a full body kind of thing, right? I don't know. Prenuvo? Body scan is going to come back saying that you're gay. Well, I mean, I did not need a body scan for that, sir. You know, I don't need no body scan to tell me that I'm gay. Ain't no body scan gonna tell me, buddy boy. No siree. No siree. Do 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 do. Need to roll. Can't you roll? At this point, it's just gonna sit back, relax, and let the trade do what it's gonna do. Let it do what it's gonna do. I like this 5-minute setup, to be honest. I mean, you got that 5-minute candle closing. You had a nice little kind of reversal doji there, a little red candle. We rolled over. So we'll see. It is obviously Asia. Late night action here. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. But I'd say right now this is looking a lot like a bear flag. A big old bear flag. The problem is maybe this flag needs to go a little higher before going lower. Could be a problem. It could be a problem. Speaking of going higher, that's 10 points straight back up there. You gotta love it. Waiting for a retest of 30,000, and then you're gonna go short. 30,000 seems a little high, to be honest, but I mean, whatever floats your boat, I guess. Oh, gonna go right to my fucking stop loss. Classic. Oh, then right back down. How's life been treating you? They asked. Well, you know, life's been good. Looking forward to getting down to Mexico. I turned 38 on Friday. 38 years old. That's kind of old, I would say. Kind of old, man. Roa Trades Carlos said, I'm gonna fade you, PW. Okay. I mean, sounds like a plan. Kim Mello says that her daughter will be 33 on Friday. Hello. Kimmy Kim. Aaron turning 34 a few Mondays ago. Let's go. We're birthday month bros. Yo, PW, are you still in? No, I'm out, man. I am out. Don't look at the screen, whatever you do. We are not in, man. We are out, but we are in at the same time. Forerunner Christ says, hard to believe we're the same age. I look better. LOL. I mean, I guess that's personal belief. I'd give that to you. Take that. I feel like this happened to me the other night when I tried to do this, but I feel like this is gonna just pop up here one more time, and then we're going lower at some point. So I'm gonna move this stop up a little bit. It might not happen right now, but I think looking at this chart right now, bigger picture right now, it's hard to deny that we're not looking very bearish to the downside here. We got Monday's low around that 29,000 area down there. So Patrick, what do you want to leave behind on Earth, and how would you like people to remember you? Well, to be honest, you know, they're gonna remember me however they're gonna remember me. Not much I can do about that. So yeah, no, I'm just gonna keep on living, baby. Keep on living. LIVIN. All right, I'm gonna add right there. Looking a little overextended here, but we'll see. You're younger than me, so you're not old. Well, that's not hard. We're going to go to 174. Well, I mean, what? Come on. Back to the VWAP, I guess, right? Maybe. Lucas, go to bed. This guy, he's in the chat, man. He's addicted. He's a monster. How are you feeling about your GTR now? Oh man, I feel so good about it. I'm so in love with it. I just want to I feel so good. I feel so good. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. When do you think a person should quit trading? I don't know. I should have quit a long time ago, clearly. Look at it. Fucking A, man. This is exactly the same shit from the other night. Just straight up for no reason. Amateur hour. When in doubt, average out, never fails. Yeah, well, sometime lucky, sometime not. Wants to go to the VWAP. Yeah, maybe. VWAP right now is 170 area, 180. So maybe we push back to the VWAP here. Maybe, baby. Fucking A, pumping. Come on, let's go to the VWAP. Get it over with. Get it over with. Go to the VWAP. Let's get it over with. You tried to warn me. Thank you so much for warning me. To the guy in the chat. Clearly, your warning helped me avoid the pain. Patrick, do you ever reverse your trades when you're wrong? Sometimes. Just depends, really. Blunt Nasty, are you blocked? Yes, we cannot see anything that you have to say. Nothing. Someone said I keep buffering. It doesn't seem like I'm buff. I don't know. Market's just kind of slowly pushing back up here, but overall, I think this is a big bear flag. Got a big bear flag playing out here. Just the question of at what point do we pull back here now? How has your PC been treating you? It's been treating me so great. It's been no issues since the first few issues. We haven't had any issues since the first few issues. Still pumping. PC updated, yes, it did. Just straight up here right now on the 15-minute chart. Kind of just holding up there now. Oh, I should have gotten out earlier, obviously. Being stubborn here. Not a good plan. Nick of All Trades says, I hope we go to the 600s. Okay, man. Well, thanks for hoping for that. That sounds like a very nice dream, I guess. Thanks for your support. Just kind of pushing. Pushing. It's just pushing. Squeezing. Nick of all trades, any chance we can get to hear that Skyline startup? For you, no, absolutely no chance. Because you literally just sit here and said that you hope it goes to 600. So thank you, but no thank you. Thank you, but no thank you, sir. Can I go to your 40th birthday party? I'm asking 2 years in advance. Yeah, 40th birthday party gonna be lit. El Cholo, how's it going? It's going, man. We're just out here living, hanging out. Market right now squeezing to the upside. Oh, good. She gone. Someone said, V-shaped recovery, my bear flag is in the forest. Ain't that the truth? It's funny. You funny dog. You so funny. VWAP's right there at the 180s. Will we get the dump here? You got wick on the top of these last few 5-minute candles. What's up with the new animation? I don't know. You don't like it? It's like a, you know, like a candle, pixel candlesticks. Oh, change it up every once in a while, you know. A little something, something. A little something, something. Yes, I'm short. Added a bunch up here, trying to change up my average some. We pushed up there to the VWAP now. We just need to get rejected. Get rejected here. Patrick, what is better, a red candle or a green candle? Well, I mean, at this very moment, I would say a green candle would be bad for me. A red candle would be good for me. So let's pray for the red. Pray for the red, Billy. Got to get back below this 9 email. Sorry, this 9 email. 9 EMA there. Come on. God. Just the incessant squeeze. Incessant. We could hit Asia low first, Patrick. Yeah, maybe. You mean previous day low? Still just won't stop pumping. I got nothing left. It's got to drop now or it's going to pop. Motherfuckers. So annoying. Just massive pump. Yeah, Market's been taking some rhino pills. Market's been taking rhino pills again. What's it got to do that for, NASDAQ? We're right there at the VWAP now. We had a straight up pump here. Give me a pullback. Get me denied. Let's get denied here at the VWAP. Come straight back down. Come on. Come on. Just do it. Just do it, NASDAQ. Straight back down. Yeah. Son of a bitch. 7 waves. That's going to shoot up 30 points. Come on, man. Why can't you see it's going to shoot down 30 points? She wants to go, you know she wants to, but maybe she don't want to. Fuck. Another bull flag. More rejection there, that's nice. Literally, we've just been squeezing for the last 40 minutes, but such is life. Battle at the VWAP for now. Do, 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 do. I'm out. I'm out. Watch, it's gonna dump now. It just couldn't get above that. Well, could not get underneath there, but watch, now it's gonna fucking roll over. For sure. If we do break back below 77, I would try a short again. What makes you think it's gonna break below that EMA? I mean, it's looking pretty close. Right at the VWAP here. We start to roll, I might just have to jump in short again. Or we just try the long and he goes straight up. Also a possibility. We'll just go all in long 45. It goes straight up. Then we sell for a quick profit. Watch. I mean, guys. I don't make this stuff up. I don't make this stuff up, okay? 45 in, 45 out. What the fuck? You gotta be laughing. It's just hilarious. You gotta love it. Are we gonna break through 200 here? Squeeze? I'm gonna try a quick scalp. Right above 200 here now. Quick scalp. Should break 200 quickly here. Possibly. Oh, come on. Pop it. Pop 200 here real quick. That's 2,000, 3,000. Come on. Give me a quick $4,000 profit. Quick 4. There we go. There we go, chat. Sometimes you just gotta go all in all the time. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. It's still pumping, by the way. She ain't stopping. Patrick, will you welcome your guest at BDH office? I would fly to Tijuana and then drive to Irvine. Your first ever Mexican guest. Yeah, I don't know about. I mean, that's a lot of dedication right there. I'm not sure we're ready for that just yet. I'm not sure we're ready for that just yet. Look at that. It's still pumping, by the way. That 45 contract long off of the 84s went all the way to 215. I guess we could have just fucking said YOLO. But look at this, dude, this pump. Ever since this breakout right here, insane pump. Insane. You got 100 points and it's been nothing but green. You gotta love it. Look at that. Crazy work. Crazy work, Chad. PW, you're trading at this time. Is New York open? No more tradable? No, I just kind of... right now, I'm waiting for Victoria. My office is right next to the airport. So I'm waiting for Victoria because I'm going to pick her up from the airport. So, honestly, it was purely because I was just waiting for her at the airport, really. So I was like, well, let's go live at the new office. Get as much time as I can in. I'm heading to Mexico very soon on Friday. So I'll be down in Mexico for my birthday and stuff. So I thought I would try to get as much streaming in as I could and get that going. Cabo or Cancun? Neither. Ensenada for the Baja 400. It's like this. It's almost like it ain't done yet. Should we try another 45 scalp? Another 45 scalp. Just going for 5 points here. 45 cons. Playing that late night liquidity. 5 points. All we need. Oh God, so close. Look at that. How did we get that close to my target? How did we get that close? Just need to pop it. I've been holding. It's still pumping. There you go. Nice work, Chris Miller or Chris Lockmiller. Chris Locklear. Locklear. So close to getting filled right there. It wants it. My liquidity is holding the whole market down. My liquidity is the market making right now. I'm making the market right now, chat. Can I get filled here at the 16s? 3-point gains. I just got to get filled. The market makers. Am I on tomorrow? Oh, yeah. I'm on tomorrow morning, baby. You know it. You already know it. You know you want to be there. We'll be live. Me and Lucas will be live in the morning, actually. Getting some filled. Come on, a little bit more. Okay. 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 Just taking my 3 points. Barbara Danielski. Barbara Dansky. Danielski. I'm pretty new to trading, and I'm wondering, how do you know when to sell and when to stay in a trade, especially if it's going the wrong way? Well, Barbara, you know, the $1 million question. Everybody wants to know. Obviously, everybody wants to know when to sell, when to buy. It ain't that easy, honestly. I think you got to just kind of have an overall game plan, a previous area of resistance, something that you're looking at. You know, if you're looking at this and let's say you're long, you know, if you're long here, you're kind of looking like, okay, we might push up to this area next. Obviously, you got to, the risk needs to justify the means. The risk needs to justify the reward. So you never know. We got to see what happens. I would say right now, if you're new to trading, this is probably not the best time to be trading. Probably a good time to avoid trading. Go to bed. You know, the best time to be trading is in the morning. Fundamentally, I would say. Not all. I mean, I know what you're going to say, but what are you talking about? The morning sucks. Yeah, you're right, but not all the time. 29,220, just kind of squeezing. Just kind of squeezing back up there. They had a really nice move down for Lucas, and then as soon as I went live, it just started squeezing straight up here. So, moral of the story, don't fight the trend. The trend is, well, it can at least be your friend a little bit. Trading is easy. It either goes up or it goes down. I mean, when you put it that way, I'm not gonna lie, that is impressive. When you put it that way, to be honest, like I mean, that's, yeah, no, that's, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're not wrong, sir. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Market's kind of just pushing back up here now. Fuck. 223s. Another flag set up here. We try another 45 cons. Another 45 cons for a push up here, possibly. YOLO. Time for the handle to form. What? It's got to go up first, sir. Everybody knows that. We got a pivot point to the upside there at 38s. So another 45 cons. Marcus Smith said, thanks to you and your crew, I'm going to be the richest UPS driver on earth. Oh, man. I hope not. STS 605 said, PW, how many streams of income do you have? Are you a millionaire yet? No. I'm still trying to get to that 100,000 mark. I'm trying to be 100,000-aire. Getting close though, working on it. We got about 10 minutes here until 11 p.m. Market starting to move a little bit. See what happens. Being patient. Being patient at this point. We need a better setup here. It's just one of those grind. You know? Grind. PW got more bread than Elon Musk. Ain't that the truth? Ain't that the truth? Ain't that the truth, chat? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Everybody wants to be a kung fu. Ugh. Everybody wants to be a kung fu fighting. Do. Cause they were fast as lightning. Do. Still just grind. Look at it. Still just grinding. Absolutely just grind. Grind. At some point, we're going to pull back, right? Some point here. Lucas was performing kung fu on the market earlier. I hope not. Government's going to shut down live day trading on YouTube. Look at this thing. Shoo. Look at that, chat. Is being a millionaire having $1 million or $1 million worth of income? That's a good question. What happens if you make 20 million a year? Are you a 20 millionaire? I think a millionaire basically just like it means you got $1 million just to blow. That would be like if you want to be classified as a millionaire, like you can't be like, well, my house is worth $1 million, you know, my retirement's worth $1 million. No, it needs to be like you need to have $1 million that you could just go out and buy something with, like right now, if you fucking wanted to. You know, I think that's what the real millionaire status. If we start to, I want to see us get back below this EMA and then turn the EMA into resistance there. That's what I want to see. it's starting to, like, if we can start to get a good close, I'd like to see a move here. I want to see just like a candle closing below that EMA for the first time in a while. We got about 5 minutes till this hourly candle closes as well. So if you look at the hourly candle right now, I'd say it's probably set up for a good reversal now, right? Pushed up right into the previous hourly candle wick. Clearly some selling pressure there, so. Any Pokemon cards tonight? No Pokemon cards. Trophy truck, $250,000 minimum. I mean, I'd say probably like 300. And I mean, I guess it depends on how shitty the one you buy, but like a good one, you're paying minimum 500,000. A good one for sure. All right, there's that dip. Will we start to go down here though? We haven't, like, still can't get away from that EMA. If we get rejected on this little pushback up, I'm going to try a short. Do you have Instagram? Yeah. Patrick Wieland. All right, I'm trying the short. It's either going to roll or it's not. It's simple. Simple math, basically. It's either going to go down or it's not. 50-50. 50-50. That's the 9 EMA, that blue line on the chart right there. 9 EMA on the 1 minute chart. I don't know if it really helps me or not, but you know, we put it on there, make it look like I'm fancy. Which is better, helicopter lease or boat lease? I mean, I have a boat lease and I have a helicopter lease. I wouldn't say one is better than the other. I think you pay the bills, man. You just got to pay the bill. You just got to pay the bills. Why lease over buy? That's a really long conversation. It's not that fun, so we'll just go ahead and not have it. If you don't understand the difference between leasing and buying a $2 million asset, well then, you know, or $2 million depreciating asset would be the way to look at it, right? So, well, what do they say? If it flies, fucks, or drives, lease it. Wow. Just squeezing again. This market absolutely cooked. They're gonna chop it back down. Like, there's no fucking way it's just gonna keep going up. Such a joke. $240's coming. Right where my stop loss is. Thanks, bro. Thanks for your support. Build a BDH bunker. Yeah, I don't know about all that. Julian Javier, Patrick, are you tired? I mean, it is literally 8 o'clock at night. I've been streaming since 6 a.m. and I've been doing other stuff today. So, I mean, I wouldn't say I'm like super excited right now, but we're trading, we're hanging out, waiting for Victoria to get to the airport. So, Mr. Corey Lee said, didn't it ride up last night? I mean, did it? Yeah, kind of. No, not really, actually. Look at this thing just holding on right now for dear life. For fucking dear life up here. Look at this. Like, what is going on? Chat, what is going on here? These last 3 5-minute candles. Look at what is going on here. What is going on here? What is going on here? Candles, the hourly candle is going to close here soon, so we'll see what happens on this next hourly candle. Someone in the chat said, Patrick, let's buy a beachfront house in South Jersey and make it a BDH party surf pad. That sounds like maybe the worst idea anybody has ever pitched to me. And I've had a lot of really bad ideas pitched to me. So, I mean, I don't want to be offensive, but that sounds like an absolutely that's like, might be the #1 worst idea I've ever heard on YouTube before. Buy a house on the South Jersey shore to turn into a BDH surf pad. I don't know about all that, man. There we go. Little dump skis for my pump skis. Oh, no. Come on. You're not going to do that to me, are you, NASDAQ? Really? Really? Come on. Yeah, I mean, I don't really want to buy any house, to be honest. That's not really my life goal. I'm not trying to be a fucking short-term rental property owner. No offense to short-term property owners, but that's not really like my MO. I got bigger plans than collecting a rent payment. Pro Fast Guy said, just rolled up, was here earlier. Boy, Luke Ash crushed it. Let's go. God damn it. I gotta get a drink or something. I need a drink. Need a water. Y'all need anything? Y'all need anything? I'm gonna get a drink. What? Bro. Almost hit my stop loss and then came straight back down. So, I mean, YOLO. Y'all been grinding on streams, PW. You know how we do, baby. We try to make a little bit of money. I got to pay them some bills. Patrick, is there a difference between Trade-of-8 and NinjaTrader? NinjaTrader owns Trade-of-8, so just depends. There's not really much there's difference in the platforms, but they're owned by the same company. We got 1,500 people watching, and how many likes we got? We only got 268 likes. Wow, chat. Y'all be letting me down. What? Y'all let me down, chat. Y'all let me down. Patrick, how are you trading 15 contracts? 350K take profit trader accounts, guys. You can trade up to 15 contracts per account. The 150K. me. Man, this thing, it don't want to go. Are we going down? Well, I mean, I'm short, but it don't look like it's going to go down. So I guess we're going up now, straight up again. It's such bullshit. Just get it over with already, NASDAQ. God damn it. Like, who the fuck would get long here? You know, that's the problem. Like, would you get fucking long here at 215? I guess. Fuck me. You keep going against the trend. I mean, I guess. I guess you're not wrong. Crazy work. Bro keeps trying to fight the trend. What? You just said that, idiot. I just read that. All right. We go 45 contracts long. Right? So the guy in the chat, look, we're not fighting the trend anymore. Watch. Now it'll go straight down. Watch. Watch. It's going to go straight down now. Sir, watch. Mr. Dustin, I don't give a fuck about the MACD, bro. Thank you, though. Thank you, sir. Patrick, would you consider yourself the Dolly Parton of trading? I mean, yes or no? Is that, how am I supposed to answer that? Look at that. Instant reversal as soon as I got long there. It never fails. This Asia market, they got it out for me. They got it out for me. Yes, rest in peace, Dolly Parton. These market makers got it out for me. Look at this. Bro, you're fighting the trend again. What? I just went long. Switch back to short. Man. Man. You can't make this shit up. Look at that. Right back down. After, okay, watch. Now we go short. Watch what happens next. Right back up. It's guaranteed. God. It's because your entries are terrible. Yeah, I mean, it's Asia right now. I don't know what to tell you. Dog, you're oh, some of the chat said, dog, you're gambling. Dog, you're gambling, man. It's not gambling if you never lose. Okay. If you had a magic genie, what would you wish for? Fuck, I wish for at least a 6-inch PP. That's all I'd wish for, honestly. Everything else I have. I would much rather a 6-inch cock than this 12-inch. Oh, God. Keep reversing the same trade. Come on, like, how is it even possible? The market it stopped here, 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 stopped here. You can't make this shit up, man. Oh man. What's your daily loss limit? I don't have a daily loss limit, sir. I own the prop firm. I am the prop firm. I am Neo. I see all angles. I see all profits. I am the master of the baiter. Are you live until London? No. I'm live until like one more hour until Victoria gets here. NQ is going to 28,000. Wow. That seems like a far drop, but I'm in. I am in. What is my opinion on gold? I don't really have an opinion on gold, to be honest. I don't really have an opinion on gold. Right now, the Nasdaq's just holding up here. We had a huge move straight up and then now just straight sideways. Ever since I got short, straight sideways. You can't make this shit up. And look at that. Pump straight up. Pump straight up again. Just focus on the New York session, Patrick. No, I know. I mean, we're just hanging out, guys. Yeah, this would be Asia right now. Asia persuasion. What's your drawdown, PW? I got like $10,000 in drawdown. Someone said I'm funny when I'm tired. Love the show. Well, thank you for saying something nice. Finally, somebody said something nice. Everybody else always, Patrick, you're fucking tired. Patrick, you fucking suck. Patrick, you're just gambling. You know what I really hope for? I was thinking about it earlier. I was like, man, what do I want to do for my birthday? You know, my birthday is coming up on Friday. And to be honest, I was like, what do I want to do? You know, like, I don't want any presents. I don't want any money. Like, I don't want anything. To be honest, I'd say the one thing I just hope and wish for is that everybody out there can just try to, like, for one day, just try to be a little nicer to everybody, you know? Let's all just try to be a little nicer. I get it, right? You watch my live stream, you hate me, my face is ugly, I'm fat, I'm going bald, you know, I'm broke, I'm a scammer, I'm a gambler. I've heard everything, guys. So if we can on Friday for my birthday, I would just love to just, you know, you don't have to say nice things, just don't say anything, really. It would be a great day for me, you know. Just be nice to have a nice little birthday without having to be told that I'm a gambling loser, fat, old, fucking balding retard. That would be nice, but I doubt it. I highly doubt it. So I doubt it. This is crazy work. The range, man. The range, man. Is that a Skyline behind you? Yes, it's a Skyline GTR. Then it just pops straight up. Are you looking for any other cars right now? Nothing particular, to be honest. All right, we're all out. Got to get all out there. Just go all in long again. Broke the range. Maybe we're gonna push to like 260s. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Is the Skyline leased? Yeah, no, I rent that per day from CarMax. CarMax rents it. How did that conversation go when you asked Denny to work the graveyard shift? It didn't go bad at all. Just said, hey, Denny, I want to try out the morning time. I know you hate EVs, but take a look at the Hummer. Yeah, I had an EV Hummer for like a week. It was terrible. Oh, fuck. Look at this thing. Right back down. You can't make it up. What's up, Hudson? Aloha, brother. Happy birthday. Man, oh man, this market is cooked. We get no pops, we get no drops. Just sideways. Sideways all days. Pretty much every day I trade now, it just goes sideways. Basically. If you only traded 90 minutes a day, what do you think to be the best time to trade? I'd say from literally 10 o'clock till 11:30. 10 o'clock to 11:30, if you just only traded that hour and a half every day, you'd probably be way more profitable. Honestly. Man, straight back down again. The only thing that's going to save me is if we try to reverse it one more time. I don't know. Maybe not. I need like a fucking 50-point drop now to save these accounts. God. PW, were you always rich? No. Dude, this is crazy work. Some guy in the chat said the market's gonna skyrocket. Okay. It's crazy. Rob said currently short because you're long. Okay. Sounds good, Rob. Thanks for the support. Someone else said currently long because Rob is short. Oh, fuck. I don't even understand what is happening right now. Oh, man. Best thing to do is wait for the sideways stop to move. Yeah, I mean, I'm not trying to wait around here all night, homie. Trying to get this over with, you know? I got things to do, places to be, people to see. Oh my God. We're waiting for Victoria to get to the airport. My office is right next to the airport, so as soon as she lands, I'm gonna go pick her up. Right now, we're just hanging out, blowing some evals, living the dream over here. $29,000. We're just holding right below this pivot point there. Pivot point right now at the 240 area. Can we go through 240s, try to fill the gap from the close maybe? I don't know. Anything's possible. Anything's possible. Patrick, do you trade every session every day? No, I do not. Well, I try not to. This is an exception to that principle. Yeah, we're cooked. We're cooked. And right back down again. Son of a bitch. She's stuck, going nowhere, holding me, holding me. Fucking A. Just a lot of chop, a lot of bullshit up here. Patrick, do you not like Lamborghinis? I never seen one with you. I've had an Aventador. I've had a Huracan. I've had plenty of Lamborghinis. Just not that interested in them, honestly. Are they gonna start rolling over now or what? Are we gonna bounce right off 220s back to the highs? Do. PW, do you stream live? No, this is pre-recorded. I recorded this yesterday. You would never know the difference. It's all AI these days. It's all just one big AI fuckfest. Think about how much money I could make if I just had an AI version of Patrick Wieland day trading live on YouTube all day, every day, 24 hours a day. I could get rid of D-Money, get rid of everybody, and then just have AI versions of everybody. Haha. This is my new $1 million plan. Do you still have the blue Ferrari? No, I don't. Just trying to get that AI, Patrick Wieland, taking over the world. Well, NASDAQ is stuck here, clearly, as you can see, so. Will they try to move it back down there towards the VWAP? I think if they lose this 220 area finally, it'll start to go nicely, so. Let's see what happens. Do. There's that pullback finally. After all of that. Ugh. Do you still have the Mustang? I do not have the Mustang. There it goes. Finally. Finally getting the pullback. That was the shorts that we wanted. You gotta love it. Can't ever just be easy, can it? Nope. Can't ever be easy. I'm waiting to see what happens here. I thought maybe we'd sell down, but obviously we did not. We just bounced right off that EMA again, so. Maybe the bull's coming here again. Try to squeeze it back up. You never know. If this 5-minute candle gets back above like 220 area, I might look for another long, I guess, off that. PW, why are you not showing your Tradevate screen? Oh, I wasn't showing it. Sorry. Still moving down there, though. That 217 entry you originally had, yeah, I mean, shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Shoulda, coulda, woulda, my friend. Story of my life. PW, do you ever cry because you're so successful? Yeah, every morning I wake up and I just cry and I cry and I cry and I cry and then I cry some more and then, yeah, pretty much. There's that pop right back up. Fucking hey, look at that. Pretty strong push there on the 5-minute chart. I'm gonna see what happens here. Are we gonna get like a push up here? New candle just opening. I'm gonna try this. Oh, terrible fill. I'm gonna try this long here. Target these highs again up towards that pivot point, 240 area. Getting some movement here. What I like better, the GT500 or the Lambo? I mean, liked them all. Right now, Blue Sky. If you've not checked out Blue Sky, they got a deal going on. 30% off. Use the code PW. Blue Sky. Tradeify as well. 40% off. Use that code PW. The way if you're new to the channel, prop firms allow you to basically pay a very small amount of money up front, take a test, get funded, and then get a payout. Right now, we're trading with Take Profit Trader accounts, which they have instant withdrawals, 50% off, and no fee currently. Use the code PW. It's going down. 50% off. This deal is not going to last much longer. They might actually end it tonight, actually. I'm just saying, you know, don't quote me, but I'm just saying. Someone said, it's a doji and it's going to dump. I mean, maybe. Right now, it looks like a bullish move here for the upside, so I like it. I'm going to take some more. I'm going to take some profit off as we push up here, actually. Patrick, what time you're scheduled to live trade every day? In the morning, you want to tune in 9 a.m. Eastern. 9 a.m. Eastern is that's when I do my best. That's when I put on the best show. If you want to see the #1 day trader on YouTube in action, tune in 9 a.m. Right now, I'm not my normal self. It's late. I've been streaming all day. I've been working all day. So, just waiting for Victoria to land at the airport. Any day now. Any day now, honey bunny. You guys are going to burn yourselves out. Well, I'm actually leaving on Friday, so I won't be streaming for 2 weeks straight. So, just trying to have some fun, you know. Come on, buddy boys. Push it, push it, push it. Who's taking over the AM? Probably D-Money. Do some D-Money streams in the morning. Do some Denny and D-Money streams in the afternoon. Do some Lucas streams. You know, kind of just like mix it up here and there, to be honest. Great trades so far. Finally getting something that makes me not look retarded. This trade makes me not look like fully fucking retarded. Finally. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Are you live with Apex? No. We hit the pivot point. You think it's a short now? Yeah, maybe. We popped right up to it. Might be able to go a little higher first. I'll look for that 40 break here. No, Denny, don't go to bed, Denny. Don't read the chat late at night, Denny. He's just jealous. He's just jealous of you. He's just jealous, Denny. He wishes that he was 5 foot tall and bald and had a fucking sick ass Suburban and puppies and worked at the BDH, okay? Thank you, PW. Really liking Lucas. Wow. I like to hear that. It's good news for everybody. There we go. Nice little pump here, boys. Nice little pumpity pump. Up there to the 240s now. We hit that pivot point, which is exactly what we were looking for. Pivot point has now been touched. You can see instant rejection right back down after taking out that pivot. So I'm going to basically put my last 2 contracts right below this EMA. Right there, below this candle. So either we're going to go higher and we're going to target the 270 area. Right? We want to start to see more green. Kind of like we're getting right now. Let's get this little pump. And we're going for 270s next. It's one of those trades where I think the best thing to do is just not look at it, right? Just don't look at it. Just don't look at it, chat. If you look at it, you're fucked. So again, real easy, kind of what we're looking at here. The idea would be we break through this level here. We try to push back up towards the 270 area there next. Kind of build out another leg here for that push. So we had a pretty big move up. We consolidated. We broke. Can we continue this to the upside now is obviously the $1 million question. Going into the hourly candle close here in 20 minutes as well. So if this candle can keep pumping, we'll be looking really good. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. It is free to like, free to subscribe. We do this every day. Right now, this is not normal streaming time because it's very late at night, but you can tune in every morning, 6 a.m. Eastern until 4 p.m. Eastern, and then again at 6 p.m. Eastern. So, you know, if you're interested, there are ways to get in on the action. Just saying. I'm just saying, okay? If you're interested, there are ways to get in on the action. What is the best prop firm deal right now, would you say? I mean, obviously, I'm going to have to say take Profit Trader, 50% off. It's hard to beat that deal, honestly. 50% off, no fee, 3 days to pass. Like, yes, I know they have trailing drawdown, but in terms of overall, like, payout of it, if you can make a lot of money with Take Profit Trader and get big payouts. Obviously the trailing drawdown is there, but they have instant payouts. They've got the you can get very large payouts, no consistency rule, no bullshit. You basically just trade, avoid the trailing drawdown. Once you get moved into an actual live account, you don't have to worry about it anyway. So I mean, they're hands down right now. I think Take Profit Trader live account that you get 5 accounts. It's got to be the best right now. Sometimes if you're watching D-Money, you'll suddenly see PW's big head just pop out of nowhere. Like today. Yeah, well, I got a little excited, sir. Okay. I thought that 3 o'clock, it was 2 o'clock. Or 2 o'clock was 3 or 4 o'clock. 3 o'clock was 4 o'clock. Okay, I fucked up. It's not my fault. All right, we're looking for continuation here. Once we start to push up, I'll move my stops to like this 30 level, which, realistically, I could do it right now. Because, I mean, if we can't push through here, we're probably going to chop around some more. So at least I can guarantee at least 10 points right? 10 points. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. Patrick, take Profit Trader versus Apex. Well, Apex, obviously you get 20 accounts. They're pretty cheap right now. The all-in cost on the Apex accounts is $49 for the 50K. The 100K is $59. It's 1 day to pass. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's hard to say like which one is the best, to be honest. Other than just, I think there's nothing wrong with having multiple funded accounts and then, you know, getting one good trade, making some money, locking that down, stuff like that, you know. Have multiple, oh my God, right to my target. Let's go, baby. Let's go for the 70 push, chat. Let's go. Beautiful trade here. You gotta love it. Bull flags, be printing. Be printing. Looking for that push up to that gap fill, which we identified about an hour ago. So I don't see how we don't hit 270s there. If you had to go start again, how would you trade prop firms? I would buy one 25K account at whatever prop firm has the cheapest deal. I would then focus on passing that account. I would then start getting payouts. Every payout that I make, I basically use that money to buy more accounts and start to build it up, right? When you first start out, you don't need 20 accounts. One account is really all you need, and then you can start to scale from there. There's no point in starting out and buying 5 accounts, blowing 5 accounts, buying 5 more, blowing 5 more. You know, start out one account, keep it easy. Just buy the small account, build on top of that, right? That's the way to go. Nice little push here either way. I'm happy with it. We finally got a good breakout. It was looking like a short. It started to roll over, and there the longs came in. Stockage says, I fucked up. It's not my fault. Well, I mean, is it really my fault? If it's not my fault, you know what I mean? Take Profit Trader instant withdrawals. The way that works is as soon as you're funded, after you're over the buffer. So let's say day one, if you have the 50K account and you make $5,000 on day one, that means you can instantly withdraw, I believe, $2,000 on day one of the account, right? Obviously, getting a payout is difficult. It's hard. It ain't easy. Not everybody's going to be able to, but I'm just saying. If all things work out and you're the luckiest motherfucker on this planet and you buy an account when you're first starting out and you get a payout on day one, well, congratulations. I remember my first trade. I remember the first time I remember it. Do you guys remember? Who remembers their first trade? Anybody? I remember it just like the other day. I can still remember it. I was trading on E-Trade. I had an E-Trade account. I had it on my phone. It was right at like early market open. I was sitting there on my phone. I saw some news about a company that had a biotech news. I ended up buying shares of this company right at the market open, and it ended up going up like 10%. And I made, I think it was like 800. I made like $700, whatever it was. And I can still remember, you know, I remember that. And I still remember laughing and thinking to myself, I'm like, why doesn't everybody just trade and make money? It's too easy. You just go online, you look for a stock that has news, and then you buy it. You know, it's like, It just seems so easy. But yeah, it's not that easy. All right, can we get filled here? 220, that's 50 points. 50 points in the middle of the fucking night, boys. Yeah. Can I get some W's in the chat? My eyes are I'm all blurred out. I'm all blurred out right now. No problem. No problem. Daddy's here. I'll show you the way, chat. I will show you the way. Goose Rabba. RX Cap said, bro, you lost tens of thousands before this. Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, let's not count my losses before this, okay? Let's count my wins as of right now. You know, let's count that. Hey, I never said I never lost before, okay? I never said that. Okay, I said that trade right there, it worked out. Okay, that trade worked out. All right, that trade worked out, and that's all that matters. Okay, exactly. Some people never saw that. Some people weren't here when we first started watching this stream, so you know, it doesn't count. It doesn't count. It doesn't count. I got to get these other take profit trader accounts. I need to get them passed. I've been taking daily payouts from these 3 pro accounts. They've been nice. I wonder when I'm gonna get moved to live. Probably soon. Normally they start moving you to live once you get like 50,000 in payouts. We'll see. Can you get Akira Nakai at the BDH to RWB by 9/11? Richard Sanchez, that ain't my deal, to be honest. How many live accounts can you have with Apex? I believe they start you out with 1 account. 1 account is what they start you out with, I believe. Well, I mean, at this point, you got to be like, okay, what do I do now? Well, I think you just got to be patient. Clearly, they wanted to go higher, so the bulls took it higher up there to close that gap. So on the night right now, we had a big kind of sell-off, pretty strong V back up here. So Garrett Blakeman said TPT moved me to a live development account. Oof. I haven't got one of those yet. That don't sound very fun. Watching PW from 2017 until now, hell of an arc. That would be hell of an arc. If you've been watching since 2017, you have seen some shit. No doubt about it. No doubt about it, I would say. It's pretty crazy to think about, honestly. Pretty crazy to think about. Did you guys see, we had put a video up. La 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 la. This is from Vegas to Reno. We just got back from this. We're heading down to Mexico on Friday to start racing, or pre-running at least, basically. So this is my race car, my UTV race car. It's got like a full cage and some updated stuff on it. It's a stock modified pro class. So it's not fully built, but kind of get an idea of it, what it looks like. Play a stream from 2017. Okay, I'll do that. The race that's coming up in Mexico is 400 miles. 400 miles we're going to be racing in Mexico. It's going to be a lot of driving. I bet ICT doesn't have that. Well, I mean, we know that. We know that, sir. Dude, look at these live streams back in the day. Trying to see like a good one. 8 years ago. God, look at these. God, even look at the graphics. Like, it's got almost 2,000 views. So just for an idea, right? This live stream 8 years ago got almost 2,000 views total, right? My live stream today alone has almost 10,000 views just today alone. So pretty funny. But yeah, this is what we used to look like. The old setup. Look at those glasses. What the hell? What was I doing? Trading small cap stocks. How much did I make? Let me see. Where's the P&L at, pussy? Where's the P&L at, pussy? Trying to see some other ones. So I'm trying to think about the different like spots that I've streamed from over the years. So we had different office backgrounds and stuff. We did the green screen for a while. This is what it looked like for a while, green screening. This is some old, this is 8 years ago still. That got 900 views on it. Oh my Lord. Only a 20-minute video, kind of a morning watch list. Time flies. Yeah, it does. It seems to fly, doesn't it? Here, let's do like this. Let's go most popular. Should be some good ones here. God, look at this one. What was that background going on there? What was that background? Not that cool. God, think about the BDH. This is a year ago. Somebody asked if I ever had a Lamborghini before. I do. This was a wild stream. I remember it was a lot of jokes. Look at the old BDH. Oh, my shirt's off. You never know what you're going to get at the BDH. Why was my shirt off? Nasdaq's pulling back, pushing up there to the 270, 280s. It's funny. Gotta love it. Mostly all the BDH streams are all the most popular ones. I don't really have any, like, trying to find some like old school ones, but these are all pretty recent, to be honest. Crazy. A lot of D-monies. The D-money. BDH had a Christmas tree in it. That's nice. I'll be back at the BDH in Florida very soon. Yeah, all these, like, I can't really see any of that, but Nasdaq just kind of holding up there. Someone in the chat said, Patrick, why the sudden change from only trading New York Open to now also trading Asia? No change, honestly. My girlfriend Victoria is flying into the airport, and my office is right next to the airport. So I just thought I would hang out, you know. But yeah, we're still trading. We're still trading. Still pumping. It ain't done yet. It ain't done yet, it seems. Do we try another long here? Forget above 270. I'll try another long. It's trying. Oh, it's tempting. It's very tempting right now. I'm gonna try it. Tight stop. I'm gonna play tight stop here. It's either gonna go or it's gonna stop me out like right away. Oh, well, it pumped. I like it. I'm gonna look for, we'll go for like up into this 80 level. Dr. Shuttle said if it doesn't hit 77, he'll shave his head and make it look exactly like my head. Well, I'm long, so I mean, I hope it does break 77, but I would also love to see you shave your head like my head. That'd be fun. Richard Sanchez says, remember when you fell off the boat? Maybe. maybe. Rip some Pokemon packs. I don't want to rip any Pokemon packs. I'm poor, man. B-Day, remember when you auctioned off the Hawaiian shirt? I think I got $700 for that Hawaiian shirt, by the way. Sold the shirt off my back for $700. Not bad. Timothy said he's going to sleep. Good night, Timothy. Good night, little Timothy. Sleep tight. Sleep tight, Timothy. Don't be afraid to go to bed, chat. Just because I'm here don't mean you gotta be here. You know, just because I'm here don't mean you gotta be here. But I mean, if you like hanging out with me, I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad about it. PW on the grind. You know it, you know it, you know it. NASDAQ playing games in my heart. Quit playing games with my heart. This is what I did earlier, don't forget. Remember earlier when it fucking chopped around and didn't go anywhere for 30, 40 minutes? Yeah, well. New hourly candle, let's see. Kev Trades says, ain't no way Denny blocked me. Oh, he blocked you, Kev Trades. Nobody can see what you're writing. Yeah, we saw what you're writing. Dude, how do I keep going? How do I keep trading against the trend? It pisses me off. I mean, sometimes, you know, it's just how it is. Sometimes no matter what you do, you just get caught, man. Sometimes it just is what it is. Yeah, no. There's no rhyme or reason to this shit. It's a fugazi, it's fugazi. It's a long, it's a short, it's a short, it's a long. Who the fuck knows? Sometimes pump, sometimes dump. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. I just like to be on the right side of the trade as many times as I can be. Looks good. Should we take it off right there? 78. Boom. 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 Sometimes it's a boom, sometimes it's a bust. Ain't that the truth? Ain't that the truth, chat? Yeah, it pushed right to the opening range low from the previous day. Right to the bottom there, 280s. So let's see if that'll be the official spot for the reversal now. We got 543 likes. I think we can get at least 600. We're so close, but yet so far. Oh, let's go. Moon Boy. Moon Boy said he hit his first 110-point trade, shorting the NASDAQ earlier tonight. Well, ain't that impressive? Ain't that impressive, chat? That is impressive. You gotta love that. 100 points. Were you trading with Lucas? Were you trading with Lucas? My little Lucas? Hourly chart pushed right up there to the previous day close now. This would be obviously a good spot to start to reverse. That's a new hourly candle. So you got a wick on top of that candle. The candle already broke the previous candle highs. So can it get the, you know, the reversal now? Maybe. Maybe, baby. Maybe, baby. Trying to see what else is going on in the world here. What's new on Twitter these days? Let's see. Let's go. We'll do a little Twitter and little Twittering. Dude, all my Twitter feed is nothing but Game of Thrones. It's all it is. So if all you see is Game of Thrones, what the fuck? Texas Roadhouse. Is that for real? Is it really up that much? No. No. Where'd that chart come from? So confused. Is Lucas your son? Yes. Yes, he is. You ever just scroll on Twitter and just see what kind of random shit you're gonna see? Always some weird shit on here. Always some weird shit on Twitter. Look at this guy. Dude, this guy, you know he's getting it in. This guy's a wrestler. It's his new wife. Shoo! That woman's that's a woman. That is a woman right there, you know? I mean, you got to give him props, right? You got to give him props in the sense that he, you know, that he decided that he was going to make sure that his kids are fucking not short. No, it's really not AI. He's a wrestler. That's my cousin Larry. No, that's Lucas. That's not Larry, that's Lucas. But yeah, I mean, hey, props to him, man. Short King. The Short King. He's a short king. Yeah, we do have to be careful what we see here on Twitter. We got to be careful. You never know what you. I'm gonna have to like slowly look. Gotta slowly look. Trader shares crushing $1 million meme coin losses. Meme coins. The meme coins. CTLR Control Supply said that his girl left him for a taller guy. Tough being a short king. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Is Denny still on, or is your son taking his place? My son will be taking his place for now, at least. But yeah, probably a little bit actually. I don't know. We're trying out some new stuff, trying to see what the views come in at. You know, we're trying to just kind of see where the best opportunity is to be live. I mean, the whole point of being live is to get more views, get more action, make more money. So, trying to figure out, what do you guys think? When would you? I mean, there's only so much time in the day. Obviously, everybody wants to stream the morning at 9:30 because that's when the market's the hottest, but can't do that. U.S. banks' unrealized losses surged to $326 billion. Nice. Are we going to hire Jackie Chan at the BDH? I mean, do you have Jackie Chan? Do you know Jackie Chan? I'd be down if you got him. If you know him, I'm down to hire him. NASDAQ's just flirting with trying to push through here to go green on the night right now. That 270 area, get a little pop up towards 300 maybe next. Maybe, baby. Do D-Money and Lucas sleep together? Yeah, I don't think, not that I know of, to be honest, not that I know of. Tony said that I think Lucas should do London, Denny go Asia, D money in the morning. Yeah, I mean, that's not a terrible idea. I don't hate it, but the problem is right now Lucas is in the West Coast, so it would be very difficult for him to do the London, to be honest. So it would be hard. Denny is better than Lucas. Well, I mean, that's the whole point of having multiple streamers, guys. We got multiple streamers, multiple talents. You know, we're all just trying to have a little bit of fun. I'm gonna see if we get one more little scalp here above this 80 level to break out one more time. I'll take it off at the 80s. It's only 7 points, but the way this market's stuck here, I'll just take it. And then I gotta go pick up Victoria here in a minute. Lucas should stream from 5 to 6 p.m. Sure, the market's not open from 5 to 6. BDH ball overplayed, to be honest. BDH ball? Like what? Like basketball? Or what ball? D Money? You want D Money to do London? Oh man. Now you're really putting them to work. Now you're really putting D Money to work. PW, you don't sleep? I try not to. Trying to make some money, man. Money don't sleep. Money don't sleep. Money don't sleep. Oh, Denny uses the BDH ball. Oh, man. True. Yeah, maybe we'll change it up, have some Lucas, and we'll do... Maybe that's what we'll do next week is we'll do like Sunday, Denny can do the open or do the Sunday night open, and then have D Money in the morning, and then do Lucas like middle of the day, and then do maybe D Money in the afternoon, and then do... I don't know. I'll do a schedule. I'll figure it out. PW, put them in the time zones they're strongest. Yeah, I mean, we don't really know exactly when they're the strongest. I'm going to add right here and just see if we get a quick pop. We're going to pop back up here now off this 70 level again. How many hours straight was the stream today? I believe we went for like 8 hours stream. Pretty much 9 a.m. till 4 o'clock. But tomorrow morning, we got Denny streaming at 6 a.m. So he'll stream from 6 a.m. The stream will go on until 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Who gets the most views? Well, I mean, no offense, but I think we all know who gets the most views. Nice little pump here. We're right out of this. We're right out of this. I think the morning stream should have 2 traders. Yeah, it's just not always easy. Tomorrow morning, it's me and Lucas in the morning, by the way. And then tomorrow afternoon is D Money and it's D Money and Denny tomorrow afternoon. So close, but yet so far from getting filled. Can we just get filled right there at 78? Eight-hour shifts for everybody at the BDH. Yeah, that's could be the play. Gotta get everybody working. Gotta get them all working. We're so close. Come on, get me out of this trade. Why does he always gotta do some shit like this? Anybody know? Does anybody know? Father and Son versus Angel Reese and Wee Man. Now that is a YouTube title that might get some views. Stream idea. Everyone at the BDH versus Patrick trading challenge. This is not even fun. The trading challenges just aren't even fun, to be honest. Garrett Blakeman said, called it. What'd you call? What did you call? What'd you call? What did you call, man? What are you calling? Who won the last trading challenge? Me. Longest break you ever took from trading? A few months. Would you ever trade a personal account? Yes, I would trade a personal account. I have traded a personal account. I do trade a personal account. I don't know why it's such a crazy idea, to be honest, but I do. I'll even show you. People never believe me, but I do trade a personal account. Before I show all my info. This is a live account. If you look here for the year, there you go. Total P&L for the year in my personal account, 110,000. To be honest, I haven't been trading a ton the last 4 or 5 months because I've been so busy with everything else in life, but I have traded. I have traded real money. I am up 110,000 this year alone. So my plan is to put some more money in that account and hopefully trade it like October, November, December. Would be a pretty good plan. Market hopefully get a little bit better and we could make a little bit of money. So that's what I'm hoping for, but we'll see. Would you ever use an automated system? No, that's a scam. What are you going to automate? PW, what's your go-to Chipotle order? Steak, white rice, no beans, no vegetable, no lettuce, sour cream, corn, medium, and cheese. NASDAQ Auto Trading says that my system made 13 trades and 13 winners today. So you had 0 losing trades. Your automated system had made 13 trades a day and lost 0. That is impressive. I'm sure it's the best automated trading system ever in the history of mankind. I'm not sure why you're here if you have an automated. If I was you, I'd be sleeping. If you have an automated trading system that had 0 losing trades a day, why would you be here? No offense to myself. No offense to myself, you know. Any plans on going to Dubai? No plans for that right now, to be honest. There's a fucking cricket in here. You guys hear that cricket? Fucking cricket. Any plans on heading to Oklahoma? 0 plans on going to Oklahoma. No. Hey, what the fuck, cricket? Motherfucker. Goddamn cricket. Goddamn cricket, man. Just curious, don't you think D-Money has more viewers than Denny because it's New York and not Asia? I mean, yeah, no, I don't think that. Well, I guess I think you're right that obviously there's a lot more viewers during New York than Asia, so it's hard to judge that. So did you know that crickets in your home in Asia is a good sign of luck and wealth? Well, you know, We're gonna be real lucky around here, boys. Total views since we started YouTube, I think it's like 60 million now. I think. Lifetime. 68 million, actually. It's pretty cool. 68 million. Almost 500,000 in ad revenue. Pretty crazy. This year alone, 2026, 14 million this year alone. Let's go. NQ having a little bit of trouble getting up through there for now, so I think I might have to just take this off and get out of here sooner than later. I'm basically going to put a stop, like risking like 10 points down there. And stopped out there for now. Do, 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 do. Maybe if we wick down and then come back up. Oh, bull flag. Look at the 4-hour line chart. What? Dude, oh my God. The line, the bull flag on the 4-hour chart. The bull flag on the 4-hour chart. Dude, look at my trend lines. Yeah, you gotta draw the squigglies in there. If you want to go up, you gotta have the squigglies. Got to. D Money will be he'll be live in the afternoon. D Money and Denny tomorrow, so tune in tomorrow afternoon for Denny and D Money. But right now, Victoria plane should be landing. She should be landing very soon. So. Probably a good time to get out of here, go pick her up, and then go to bed. Right? Go to bed, people. Just kind of pulling back here and getting ready for that hour. You got 15 minutes, an hour, the candle close, so. We'll see what happens tomorrow morning. We pushed up. We basically filled the gap and got stuck, rolled over there now. So if you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, blow it up. I will see you all tomorrow morning. Denny will be live at 6 a.m. tomorrow. We got a stream going from 6 a.m. till 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So there it is. I'll see you all in the morning. Peace to the Middle East. D Money's streaming in the afternoon tomorrow. We posted up a schedule on Twitter as well. So that's it. We out of here. Peace.